Freedom is not a gift from princes. It is the law we dare to write for ourselves.
In 19th century Germany, liberalism meant the demand for individual rights, freedom of the press, equality before the law, and a constitution that limited the power of monarchs. Many liberals also wanted national unity because they thought a united Germany would be a modern constitutional state. Support often came from educated middle-class groups such as lawyers, university professors, officials and business people. Liberals were not all Democrats, and many feared radical social change. Nevertheless, liberalism challenged the old order by asking a basic question: should rulers govern by inherited authority or under laws approved by citizens' representatives?